All right, here we go. Take a quick look at this thing. It's raining and it's gonna be raining for a few days. So we just kind of look at this inside, throw a game or two on it, and move on.
I'm an alligator. I'm a mama, papa coming for you. I'm a space invader. I'll be a rock and rollin' bitch for you. Keep your mouth shut. Just walking like a big monkey bird. Like I'm busting up my brains for the world. Keep your electric on me, baby. Put your ray gun to my head. Press your space, no, no.
All right, let's throw a couple games on it. right, there it is. Not too bad. Looks good, plays good. I could probably make it play for a long time if I wanted to. Beautiful looking game, honestly. I'm surprised by that. When I first looked at it, I was like, nah, whatever. But after I got it all done, man, it's a pretty sharp looking game. I enjoyed doing it, and I don't know if I'll put anything else up here for a while or if I'll just quietly work. I got a lot going on as always. I mean, I can, but I just got to figure it out. So there we go. That's it for the space mission.